of you remembered when I started a new channel in October, 1st of October. I started a new channel because I put it out here, and some of you would like to know, Onyi, how is the channel going? Is it monetized? How much have you earned from that channel? How much are you making? Because there are some, new content creators that want to know how possible it is to start a channel and monetize it within the shortest possible time. You've been hearing people talking about how they are making millions on YouTube, and you want to start making that kind of money, but you don't know if it's possible. Well, I'm gonna be showing you practical in this video. I'll open my new channel and I'm gonna show you how far we've gone, what we're doing, how much we are making, and all that. So ensure you watch this video to the very end. Trust me, you're gonna take home one or two valuable tips and strategy that will help you start and grow your own YouTube channel. So I'm gonna be sharing my phone screen. You should be seeing that already. You can see this channel I started on the 1st of October 2025. I created this channel 1st of October and I uploaded my very first video the same day. That is to say, I launched this channel with a video. I didn't just open my channel or create a channel and I left. No, the very first day I created this new channel, I posted a video that same day. And you can see the very first video I posted on that channel, which is create a YouTube channel with your phone. Now let me explain something. This channel, I created it to teach people how to start up your own YouTube channel from scratch. Before now, I used to hold classes for people that want to start up their own YouTube channel, and I just decided to share everything here free of charge. I decided to start up a YouTube channel where I'll be sharing all the knowledge I have gained doing YouTube for over 5 years now, and also my experiences and how new content creators can start creating content and start earning from their content on YouTube. That was the reason why I started this new YouTube channel called the 10xpreneur. And my first video was how to create a YouTube channel with your phone, because some people think that, oh, I cannot create a YouTube channel with my phone, I need to have a laptop before I can start creating content on YouTube. No, all you need to get started with is your phone, right? So this is the video I made that day, and you can see this video has 2,000 plus views. This is the very first video on this channel. You can go check it out. It has over 2,000 plus views. Now what is this telling you? This should tell you that on YouTube your very first video can go viral. I don't know if you get me. On YouTube, your very first video can go viral. This is the video I have on this channel that has gotten the most views. Yes, I've not been consistent at all, which I'm going to explain later. I've not been consistent on this channel, but this is me telling you that the very first video I posted on this channel has the highest view, over 2,000 plus views. So what I want you to note here is that you can start your YouTube channel today and you can start going viral today. Some people will argue with this. I just want you to know that YouTube doesn't work the way other social media platforms work. YouTube doesn't work the way Instagram work. Nah, YouTube doesn't work the way Facebook works. YouTube algorithm is something different. Right? YouTube algorithm can favor a new content creator more than a creator that has been on the platform for years. What they are looking out for is their audience, right? YouTube cares about their creator, but not as much as they care about the people that are coming onto the platforms to watch these videos, because they know that if people are not coming onto this platform called YouTube to watch videos, YouTube is not going to be in business. They're not going to be making money. So if your content is a content, or if your video, let me use the words that everybody understand, if your video is a video that people are interested in, people want to watch, and you post that video well with your metadata, your thumbnail, everything intact, that your very first video can go viral. That your very first video can be the video that will give you your 1,000 subscribers. It can be the video that will give you your 4,000 hours of watch time. That's your very first video. That is one thing I want you all to understand here, because I have experimented. I've been saying it a lot, that the chances for new content creators to blow, to go viral on YouTube right now is like this. It is massive. The chances for new content creators to go viral is massive. Currently, subscribers doesn't matter on YouTube. What matters is the type of content you're putting out. Are people interested in that kind of content? Is there a market for that kind of content? You will go viral. So this was the very first video I created, right? And this first video, so far so good, over 2,000 views. Now I want you all to watch this closely. Where are these views coming from? Because most times when you don't know how to optimize your videos, that is why your videos flop a lot. That is why you're not getting views. Now you can see over 2,041 views, right? And I want to see where these views are coming from. So we are gonna come like this. So we're going to click on reach. Now you can see how viewers find this video. How are people finding this particular video? The first is suggested videos, guys. Suggested video, that is to say, at this point it is the YouTube algorithm that is suggesting my videos. I'm not doing anything. You can see it from my screen that how viewers find these videos, the highest is from suggested videos that has over 52.9%. So YouTube algorithm is pushing this video for me. They are the one pushing out this content. Why? Because people are interested in my content, not just because people are interested. I optimized this, my very first video, to the core. And what do I mean by optimization? My thumbnail, my title, my tags, my hashtags, I made sure I took my time. I mean, you can already tell from the thumbnail of this video, it is bold and it is speaking to anybody that comes across it. It says create a YouTube channel with your phone. How to create a YouTube channel with your phone? I mean, you can see the thumbnail, you can see the title. I believe everything is intact. If I go down the description, let me go open the description of this video. This was my very first video. Let me open the description for you. You can see how the description is. It has the words, the keywords in it. How to create a YouTube channel with your phone, updated. You can see it has the relevant keywords in it, and then I have some hashtags. Can you see? These are necessary things that you need to, put in your videos to help you optimize your YouTube videos. These are so important. So you can see that my reach, number one, the viewers that saw this video came from suggested videos. This is when YouTube is doing the work for you. Now, apart from that, I also have other YouTube features, browse features, YouTube search, and then others. Now, external sites, people are sharing these videos to WhatsApp. I have never shared my video to any WhatsApp group or anything. I believe people are watching and they are sharing to their friends, their family, whoever they have on WhatsApp. So people are sharing. Now, YouTube search terms. These are terms that people come and search on YouTube, and then my videos get suggested to them. You can see some of the search terms: how to create YouTube channel, how to create YouTube. You can see them. The content that are suggesting my videos. Can you see all this content suggesting my videos? Most of them are content that have already gone viral. You can see this content up there by Mark Angel. It is a content that has gone viral already. In fact, all this content I'm seeing here are from content creators that have gone viral already. So I want you to understand something, guys. I usually say this a lot, that if you're trying to, go viral on YouTube, make sure you're following content creators that are doing so well in your niche. Now, when you follow them, check how they create their videos, check how they create their videos, check how they design their thumbnail, and try to make yours, something similar. I'm not saying you should copy, but take one or two ideas from how they do theirs. Because they are going viral, it can equally help you go viral. I don't know if I'm explaining this the way it should be, but I want you to understand that nobody has the monopoly of knowledge here on YouTube, right? You are actually supposed to look at those people that are doing well in your niche and try to see what they are doing and get ideas from them on how to design your thumbnail, how to, put all your titling together. So important. You can see all this content creators, they are, okay, let me click on this first one so you understand what I'm saying. Now, these are content that are suggesting my videos. This first one is from Mark Angel, and this content has gone viral. It has over 766,000 views, right? This is another, let me click on this one. This is another from Prime Videos, and this content has over 580 something thousand views. These are all content. Let me click on the next, this third one. This is from vidIQ, and they have over 4.8 million. These are videos that are suggesting my own content. That is, if people watch these videos, my video will appear under suggested video. Do you understand what I'm saying? So this is something that will equally help you grow faster. As you can see, we are just at about 155 subscribers. One reason why we are still stuck here is because I have not been consistent on this channel at all. Now you can see all the videos I have here, just 30 videos. Just 30 videos. That is to say, I have not been consistent at all for the past 3 months.